In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView to trade micro E-mini futures. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, learning these steps will help you navigate the platform with ease. So let's dive in and get started. First, head over to TradingView.com. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't already have one, you can sign up. It's quick and easy. Logging in is your doorway to a robust set of tools that TradingView offers for traders. Now you want to search for the specific micro E-mini futures symbol you plan to trade. At the top of your screen, you'll see the search bar. Click on it and type in the symbol of your choice. For those interested in the micro E-mini S&P 500, the symbol is MES1. If NASDAQ 100 futures catch your eye, type MNQ1. Prefer trading the micro E-mini Dow Jones? Go with MYM1. And if the Russell 2000 is your focus, search for M2K1. Make sure you select the option with the exclamation mark. This denotes continuous futures contracts, ensuring you're viewing the most up-to-date data. Once you've identified the right symbol, click on it. This will open up the futures chart, which is your canvas for analysis and decisions. Here, you can explore various chart types, indicators, and timeframes to inform your trading strategy. But before placing any trades, you need to connect your broker account to TradingView. Scrolling down to the bottom of the chart, open up the trading panel. This panel will connect you to brokers supporting micro E-mini futures with options like Tradovate or Interactive Brokers available. Log into your broker account right through TradingView, streamlining your trading process. With your broker account connected, you're ready to place trades. The trading panel is your command center. Input the details of your order, whether you intend to buy or sell, the quantity of contracts, as well as the type of order you're placing, be it market, limit, or stop. After double-checking these inputs, submit your order to execute the trade. TradingView's execution is crisp, giving you the confidence that your orders are processed efficiently. Remember, trading is not just about entering positions, it's about managing them effectively. Back on TradingView's trading panel, keep an eye on your open positions and any active orders. From this dashboard, you can make real-time adjustments, set stop-loss orders to mitigate risk, take profits at predetermined levels, or close positions if your market outlook changes. By following these steps, you are now equipped to navigate TradingView for trading micro E-mini futures successfully. Take your time to explore the platform's rich features and refine your skills as you engage in the fascinating world of futures trading. Happy trading!